The new.
Cut, take two.
The new.
Cut, take three.
Oh, it's tempting. The new Fudge Brownie Temptation Waffle Bowl Sundae with chewy brownie pieces and rich fudge in a fresh-baked choco-dipped waffle bowl. The new Turtle Waffle Bowl Sundae at Dairy Queen with creamy DQ soft serve, pecans, and... Wait, is it pecans or pecans? Pecans? Okay. Pecans and gooey caramel. Or is it caramel? Do one. Hey, I just drank like 6 mint mocha lattes at Dairy Queen. It's got coffee in it. Yeah, coffee. And DQ soft serve is good. Really good. They also have other flavors too, like hazelnut, caramel, and mocha. Not really sure which one's my favorite. Maybe it's the new one, mint mocha. Not really sure. I have to sleep on it. Can't sleep. Oh well. Where was I?
Oh, mashed potato! You're scared. Hurry!
Skiing! In Denver! Utah!
Ice storm!
10 seconds. Freezing! Time's up.
Hey guys, who wants the last 2 blizzards?
You got a real catch there.
Introducing the Dairy Queen Waffle Bowl Sundae. DQ soft serve, all those delicious toppings, everyone in a chocolate-dipped waffle bowl with that fresh-baked smell. What I wouldn't give for just one nostril. The DQ Waffle Bowl Sundae. Guess what? Dairy Queen is having a huge cheeseburger sale. Now, a juicy single is just 99 cents. A beefy double is just $1.49. And a Titanic triple is just $1.99.
Lockjaw. A little help here.
Open wide and say, The cheeseburger sale is going on at Dairy Queen. Do all 3. Dairy Queen has crispy all-white meat chicken strips, golden fries, Texas toast, and country gravy for just $3.99? I gotta get down to DQ. Right after I go to the dentist. A chicken strip basket at DQ, just $3.99. Introducing Dairy Queen Sweet Deals. Any 2 items for $3. Any 3 items for $4. Any 4 items for $5. I can get a hot dog and a small sundae together. Meals the way I want them. A different meal any day. At a great price. My pride and joy. I'm so happy. I was kind of hoping for a tear there.